A lot of football fans believe fixed matches do not exist in football because they think it will be too obvious and people will quickly detect any form of acting or rigging in football games. Some football bettors believe that match fixing exists due to different strange and unexpected results in football, while some people also think match fixing exists but only in lower division football and not top-tier leagues like the EPL, Bundesliga, Serie A, the Spanish League or the French League. But whether you believe it or not, the fact is match fixing exists in football, and it exists both in the lower division and top-tier or popular football leagues. In fact, match fixing generates a lot of revenue for football clubs. Most football clubs sell matches to bookies when they are leading their closest rival on the league table with a lot of points. For example, Jupiter FC, standing at the number 1 spot on their league and leading their closest rivals with a lot of points, can decide to have an agreement with bookmakers and sell their next game to them, because losing that match will not affect their position on the league table. It kind of makes sense as there will be no point in winning that type of match. And the clubs can make extra cash by selling out that match. The proofs are the strange and shocking results in some football games. Although we are not implying that all shocking results are as a result of match fixing, as we all know that football is an unpredictable sport. Match fixing does not have to be obvious or overly dramatic as most people think, and as a result of this, it is not easy to identify a fixed match when watching one. A big football club can even sell a match without the opposition club knowing about it. Football is one of the easiest sports to fix as it does not require much acting, because the team involved in the match-fixing scandal can easily lose the match through lowering their normal performance just by intentionally reducing their intensity, unusually misplacing passes and also missing big chances in front of goal so as to give their opponent the advantage, since reduction in intensity, misplacing of passes, defensive errors and missing of chances are normal or common in football. Football fans or spectators tend to neglect the signs and see poor game outcome as a result of tiredness or just a bad day in office. The best way to avoid having a fixed match on your bet slip is to stay away from matches where one of the opponents, especially the tougher one, have nothing to lose in the game. Match fixing can also be done by players, referees and agents, and another clear proof that match fixing exists is when football players get sanctioned when they are involved in football gambling of any form. Please note that match fixing is done in total secrecy between the football clubs involved and the bookies. Anyone or organization who claims to have access to fixed matches or claims to sell fixed bets is a scammer, although there are some geniuses or experts that can predict match outcomes correctly, but nobody with a fixed match will sell it in the first place. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.